The Gann Fan is a tool used to analyze price and time together. Rather than focusing only on horizontal support and resistance, it projects a series of angled lines from a key turning point. These lines, known as Gann Angles, help assess whether price is holding above, below, or between important price-time relationships. The starting point is critical. A Gann fan is typically drawn from a clear swing low in an uptrend, or a clear swing high in a downtrend. This anchor becomes the reference for the entire structure. From there, the angles extend forward across the chart, highlighting areas where price may react, accelerate, pause, or lose strength. At the center of the fan is the 1-to-1 angle. This line represents a balanced relationship between price and time, 1 unit of price movement for 1 unit of time. When price holds above an ascending 1-to-1 angle, it often reflects sustained trend strength. A break below it can signal that the move is weakening and may shift toward the next lower angle. The surrounding angles provide additional context. Steeper angles suggest stronger momentum, while flatter angles indicate slower, more gradual movement. If price begins to drift toward flatter angles, the trend may still be intact, but with reduced strength. In a downtrend, the same principles apply in reverse. Holding below descending angles suggests continued selling pressure, while a move back above an angle may indicate that bearish momentum is fading. What makes the Gann fan particularly useful is its ability to combine price and time into a single framework. The angles do more than mark levels, they show how price is evolving over time. A move that reaches a level too quickly may be overstretched. A market that struggles to maintain an angle may be losing momentum. Consistent respect of an angle, however, can indicate a well-structured trend. Chart scale plays an important role. Because the Gann fan relies on the relationship between price and time, distortions in scale or poorly chosen anchor points can reduce its effectiveness. Clean swing points and consistent chart scaling help ensure the angles remain meaningful. It's also important to recognize the limitations. The Gann fan does not provide standalone trade signals. Price may react around an angle, but that alone does not confirm direction. The tool is most effective when used alongside market structure, support and resistance, trend analysis, and momentum. In summary, the Gann fan offers a geometric framework for understanding how price moves through time. It helps identify where trend strength is holding, where it may be weakening, and where reactions are more likely to occur. Used correctly, it provides context, not confirmation.